Nifty chart you can observe here, next week is the monthly expiry week. So even Bank Nifty also Tuesday is the monthly expiry. So market will be big momentum possibility. Very high chance is there next 2 days. Because yesterday Friday volatility index also shoot up by 4%. So it indicates confirm that market will be trending market either Monday morning or Tuesday. So either Monday or Tuesday we can expecting trending possibilities there. So based on that, the trend observed here, especially Bank Nifty, last August 3rd onwards, Bank Nifty trend is sell on rise. Every rise is a selling opportunity. So, but Thursday and Friday, the trend is change from the negative to positive side. Bank Nifty now important support is 57,500 level is the important support level. Similarly 57,800 level is the important resistance level. So as per the psychological number, 58,000 is the next resistance, 57,100. Here 20-day EMA also is there. So this is a very strong support level, 57,100. So this is the supports and this is the resistance level. So here 58,500 is the next resistance level. So if in case Bank Nifty 58,000 level to 58,100 breakout daily candle, so Bank Nifty will shoot up to 58,500 level. So next week we need to check the crude oil volatility also. So it will directly impact the Bank Nifty. So along with the FIS data also, last 1 week FIS in neutral position. At the same time DIs are every day they are buying nearly 2k to 2000 crore to 3000 crore. So let's go into the Nifty Bank Nifty chart observe. Bank Nifty Friday it's completely sideways market is there. So obviously Bank Nifty 57,600 level, any downside breakdown bearish candle, so Bank Nifty will come to the 57,500. Here Bank Nifty shoot up. Okay, so Bank Nifty trend is every dip is a buy on dip is there. Even Bank Nifty, if in case Bank Nifty any gap down open around support level near open, so after that any bullish pattern form in this level, again Bank Nifty will be reversal momentum possibility is there. Okay, so but if in case Bank Nifty any small gap up open Monday morning, after that immediate any breakout 57,800 level, so there is a short covering rally possibility is there up to 58,100 level. So because this is the high is the 57,800, this is the weekly candle high. Okay, so obviously any breakout means short covering rally possibility, very high chance is there with volume breakout. Along with the Midcap chart also observe, as per the Midcap also price action is near the support level is there. This is 30 minutes candle. So as per the Midcap also 15,000 level is the important resistance level. So next week is Nifty Midcap also monthly expiry. So the Tuesday. So obviously Nifty Midcap also we can expecting high volatility possibilities there. Here observe near the support level price is consolidation and also last candle is upside breakout. It's a beautiful buying pattern. So obviously any dip is a price will go further upside possibility, very high chance is there. Here very strong support level is 14,800 level. Any daily candle is closing below this candle 14,800 below close daily candle, then on the our view is negative view, that is sell on rise. But currently price is near the support level is there. Here any dip is a buy on dip, even Nifty Midcap also. So based on that Nifty Midcap Monday any gap up open and all, little bit of the profit booking possibility is there, because this is the area is the buyers area, liquidity area. So if the price come to the in the support level, any bullish pattern comes, again price will be reversal momentum possibility is there. But if in case any huge gap up open and all, price will be consolidation possibility, very high chance is there. So coming to the even volatility index also observe, because volatility index August 3rd onwards, volatility index chart is looking weakness is there, and also doji candle is there. Whenever the volatility index is big candle we seen, so that day only option buyers are making very good profit. If volatility index is small candles, daily candle, so very option sellers are making very big profit. Okay, so currently volatility index last 2 days little bit of the showing some bit of the momentum also, so it indicates option buyers are very good days are ahead, especially next September month. Along with the Dow Jones also, Friday its daily candle, almost Dow Jones futures also currently trading 1% positive. Dow Jones candle also almost forming a bullish candle near the support level, so it's a very positive sign. So all put together, we need to check the crude oil chart also. Crude oil chart also, candles also observe here last 4 days, crude oil near the resistance level, it's showing a some bit of the weakness in the chart. So obviously next support level is around number $80 is there. Any dip price will go further downside possibility is there. You can watch crude oil also. Along with the some of the news also trending is there, you can watch, especially yesterday Friday heat map also observe here, especially broader market all the index are positive, only Nifty next 50 Nifty Midcap only closing that is also flat. So it indicates all the index are positive side is there. Okay, so coming to the FIS DI data observe, FIS also Friday it's selling only small quantities. At the same time DI is buying heavy quantities from last 1 week. So and also along with the H1N1 virus cases in Delhi rises by almost 1,777 cases. So obviously it is little bit of the panic, but not that much serious currently. So you have to alert this news also. Coming to the India US trade deal almost final. So as per the Sergio Gore, so he told recently in technical interview also, so India US trade almost finalized, legal technical language being shot out. US Congress pushes tariff on Russian oil buyers. So let's see so how the situation works. If in case any US India trade deal comes, it will be very positive to the market. Along with the gift nifty trading almost 50 points positive compared to the Friday closing price. So Monday morning we can expecting market will be positive open possibility, very high chance is there. Sugar stocks are heavy trending in market because of the government ethanol related, they are using the some of the sugar cane products and all, so that is also impact the sugar production. And also this time rain also not up to the come here, rain also not come, so that's why a little bit of the sugar related stocks also almost by and also government also sugar prices eat up despite import decisions also. Expert call for the stronger pipeline stocks. So if in case anything happen to the sugar related, definitely sugar stocks will go further upside momentum. So you have to watch sugar related stocks, especially Andhra Sugars. So a little bit of the Balrampuri Chini, Triveni Engineering, Sri Renuka Sugars. So we have to watch sugar stocks also. These are all the what I can say that is not every year we will not move sugar stocks. Only some year which rain not come, that year only we can see the sugar rates will be rise. US Iran trade, that is very important news. United States announced a new economic sanction against Iran. Because currently you also know that US midterm election also is there. So that is also one of the reason US will not do any war against Iran. So there may be chances to war only through economic war only. So that's why currently market also little bit of the taking a positive this news. So but it's a negative news to the Iran. Actually Iran also warns neighbor countries against joining US economic war. So all put together, even in our yesterday in our Telegram channel also we posted the chart also, technical outlook. Nifty 24,250, you can observe the weekly candle also. As per the weekly candle, stock is chart observe here, price is trading in this channel only from last more than 2 months. So currently price is near the support level, price forming a hammer type of candle. So we can expecting further upside possibility is there. Next resistance is 24,500 to 24,600 as per the weekly candle Nifty. Even daily candle also posted. As per the daily candle, last 2 days market is sideways market. So currently Nifty will be big upside possibility, very high chance is there. But after touching the resistance level either 24,400 or 24,500, so again profit booking possibility is there in Nifty, you can watch. So coming to the even you can observe the yesterday one of the brokerage house raises the target, especially Crompton Greaves stock also re-rating actually from last 4 to 5 years. So this Crompton stock not given any return to the investors, but currently stock is near the support level is there. So risk and reward is favorable to the long-term investors and all. So currently Gift Nifty 50 points, Friday sideways is a bear top, and also especially Bitcoin is jumped by nearly 20% last week. That is also very positive news to the Bitcoin investors, along with the US futures also currently trading 1% positive. So after that we can expecting, so this is the market, stock market updates and also live updates also you will get, along with the Nifty neutral to mild positive is there. So even Friday also around 320 only we told that there is a downside support line is there, very strong support level. That is also symmetric ascending triangle pattern also breakout likely to follow the broader trend also. So Nifty closing above the 24,250, bulls are in control, solid gap up open expected Monday morning. So already early only predicted the same only market will be gap up open Monday. So now let's go into the some of the stocks which are trending. We can observe here, especially HDFC Bank. Why HDFC Bank trending? So most of the mutual funds, large cap funds invested heavy amount in mutual HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank last 1 year it's down by nearly 25%. All-time high is 1000 level is there. So almost 48 out of the 49 analysts expecting buy rating also, and also stock is near the support level is there. So you can watch this stock for the especially currently stock is risk and reward is long-term investors is favorable along with the short term also. So coming to the CDSL also, last week stock is trending is there, because stock is after consolidation as per the trend observed here. This is the level is the important support level as per weekly candle. Price is strong bounce seen. So currently stock is near the support level only 1200 level. As per daily candle observe, as per daily candle after the consolidation around 1300 and all, so Friday stock is upside breakout. So next resistance is 1440 to 1480. So price further up. So almost all social media the stock is heavy trending is there, you can watch. Similarly, ICICI Bank also near the support level. ICICI Bank also forming a bullish hammer type of candle. So further upside possibility is there. You can watch ICICI Bank also. Similarly, SBI also observe. SBI also stock is near the support level, forming a hammer type of candle. So price will go further upside. SBI also bullish pattern is there. Similarly, Axis Bank also observe. Axis Bank also price is near the support level. Price is W pattern form. So price further upside possibility is there. You can watch Axis Bank also. Even Bajaj Finance also observe. Bajaj Finance also after the consolidation stock is breakout. So price will go further upside. You can watch Bajaj Finance also. Even Reliance also observe. Reliance also, as per the daily candle, Reliance also stock is consolidation near the support level. Very positive sign. If in case Reliance any breakout, so very good rally possibility is there. You can watch Reliance also. Even IT index. So last week IT index little bit of the profit booking mode is there, but price is trading above the resistance level. So that is a very positive sign. Nifty IT index. So currently Nifty IT index trend is every buy on every dip. Okay, so coming to the KFin technology and Jubilant Food also observe. KFin technology also stock is uptrend is there, every dip buyers are active. Price is breaks the recent swing also, price will go further upside, and also round number is 1000 level. You can watch Jubilant Food also stock is very strong positive trend is there. Recent swing again, price looking bullish momentum. So further upside possibility is there. You can watch Jubilant Food. Similarly, BL also observe. BL also after the downtrend stock is upside breakout 410 and also price will go further upside possibility is there. You can watch BL also. Similarly, next stock is Hindustan Zinc. Hindustan Zinc also stock is near the resistance level around 600 level. If the stock any breakout this level, stock further upside possibility is there. You can watch Hindustan Zinc also. Okay, so this is the complete analysis of the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. So Monday morning we can expecting a gap up open possibility, very high chance is there. Okay, so everyone please share your view in the comment section whether the Nifty will go this ascending support level near again upside momentum or break. If the break means definitely here support is the 24,200. Okay, so if everyone please share your view Monday our what's your view, because monthly expiry trending market possibility very high chance is there. What's your view? Please share in the comment section. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.